Hello viewers, how are you today? Today we will talk something about a person who cares about you. If a person cares about you, he will give you more time, he will give you more and more attention, he will care about you more and more other than he will give attention to the others. He enjoy your company, and the other point is, if he is in care with you, he will discuss future with you. He will create many more different things in which he will decide to do something good with you. He will become energetic when he see you. If he will see you more and more, then he is in care with you. If he enjoys your company and talk more with you, he is in care with you. These are the positive signs if somebody is in care with you. If he wants to spend the whole of his life with you or her life with you. If two of the peoples are in care of each other, then they decided to be the best partners for each other. So if somebody is in care with you, just go ahead and create a good moment. God bless you all. It's a good message for today. If you have liked my video, just subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of new videos. Goodbye.